Can we please sign a petition to cancel Skeem Saam's Lehasa? Skeem Saam fans have once again threatened to stop watching the show, or at least scenes involving Lehasa, after the character was accused of being a bully. Lehasa's bae, Lilo, is preggers, but Lehasa doesn't believe it and has been asking sis to take a pregnancy test. In fact, dude was straight up disrespectful to his missus. Fans were not impressed by his antics, and soon he was the talk of social media. Some thought it was karma for all those times Lilo was being shady and causing nonsense in others people's lives. Others were ready to call Pick It Up to come collect him with all the other trash.
Yeah.